Design with me.
Color palette sent by our bride and her stylist. Custom fabric sketch, sample sketch, final fabric sketch, choice of stone for beadwork, fabric swatch are requested for fuller lines. Here's how it turned out. Fabric arrived safely to our factory in Lagos, Nigeria. Noye's first fitting, very demure. Back view, very demure. Noye's second fitting, me doing my thing, up close of my thing that I did. Noye carried away by her beauty. My mom walked in and I'm not sure if she was blown away by the dress or Nonye's beauty. Okay, so Nonye likes to dance. Me doing my thing. Me doing my thing again. Me asking my staff to take Nonye's phone so I can do my thing again. Me about to do the drapes. Nonye doesn't know if she likes it. She danced to check if she likes it. So I did a second drape option. Beadwork in progress. Intense beadwork in progress. Nonye's final fitting. Nonye was excited. We all were excited. Remember, Nonye likes to dance. Just showing off our illusion mesh blend. Okay, at this point, don't you ever forget Nonye likes to dance. Second time trying the drape options. Showed her this drape option again. She danced to check if she likes this one. Okay, she clearly likes this one. She danced to confirm that she likes this one. Come on now. Don't get tired of seeing me do my thing. Perfecting the drapes. All done. Dressing up Nonye. Someone complimented her and she said, "Oh, thank you." Always very, very demure with her cute little voice. Finally, the moment you all have been waiting for. The details. The details. I just want to say, thank you, Nonye, for choosing the Veekee James brand. We love you so much.
Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winifred and I'm here again with your favorite fashion designer posts. All these videos, I give the credit to Veekee James herself, and I just want to let you know that you guys are not the only ones that love Veekee James. I also love her also, and I know that she's super talented. Everybody knows she's super talented except for the haters though. Everybody knows that she's super talented and that she is the blueprint of fashion and that she is a force to reckon with. And then you can see that she does a lot of things because she does not want to fall. Have you seen her cook? She does it gracefully, skillfully, and with so much fashion, and you can tell that she's always good and gifted at what she does. I just want us to learn one or two things from Veekee James. Number one, the power of her packaging, her resilience, her hard work, and how she maintains her height at the top. She really tries hard to maintain that peak that she has gotten into, and she does not want to fall. That's why you see her doing a lot of things. And I've also noticed that even while she's not sewing, when she's in the kitchen, whatever she does, she makes sure that she gives it the perfection. She pays attention to details. All these lessons are what I want us to learn as a fashion designer. Paying attention to details, leveling up on your game, the way you yourself dress, the way you come out to people, and everything tells more about your brand. And if you want to be successful in this fashion business, I will advise that you up your game. Wear the best dress that you sew for your clients. Wear it on your own body. Show up nicely, beautifully every time. Seeing her cook with such gorgeous dresses shows that she's telling you that there is no dress for any particular occasion, although there are dresses that fit particular occasions, but you should look good in every aspect of life. Don't say, I'm just going to my shop, let me just wear this thing jare and quickly go. No, you should dress your best every time. That speaks volume for your brand, and it will also help you to up your price limit. And then you should also charge your worth. Whatever style that someone has sent to you, charge the price that will make that style and will also make you comfortably sit down and eat the chicken that Veekee James is cooking right now. Eat the kind of chicken that she's cooking right now. Level up on your space. If you have a small space or you are sewing from your room, the part that you want to snap picture from and you want to post on social media, make sure that the place is very beautiful and aesthetic enough. Don't just snap from a shabby place. The story of Veekee James and everything about her has made us to learn a lot of things. Even when she did not have much money as this, while she was sewing in her mother's house that was not even fine at all. The space where she snaps her pictures, she had to decorate everything, and everything was looking pleasing. So I just want to let us know that the way you package yourself, the way you bring yourself out, the way you address yourself personally, the respect that you give yourself is what people will give you. So I'm sure that from now on, you're going to learn 1 or 2 things from Veekee James, and also level up on your style, level up on your fashion, level up on your dressing, and everything about you. That is what will give you the level up and the riches and money that you always crave for, if you pay attention to all of these bits and pieces of points that I have given you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I want to know what you also think, and if you have any other advice that I have not said in this video, you can also drop it in the comment section for others to learn from. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, share my videos. Until I see you in my next one, you already know that I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.